Chef Shaun here at Thought Design, and I'm going to do a little series of videos for you to kind of show some of the major things that I use in the kitchen personally that I think make my life easier and I've found just seem to work better. From the years of doing this, you've tried a lot of different things, small appliances, different pans, knives, all kinds of different things. But these are some of the items I feel that are really important to have in your kitchen. And number one, I want to start with like a frying pans. Now, I have two different ones here. I have a non-stick pan, which I like to use this for eggs, things like that that are very sticky, anything with a sugar in it or something like that that I'm cooking. And then I also have a just stainless steel pan, all metal. And you'll notice these pans are all metal outside of this grip on here for a cool grip to be able to grab it when it's hot. Now the reason I use all metal pans is because when I'm cooking something, I can flip it and throw it in the oven, or I can finish something. If it's not quite done, I need to move on to something, I need more burner space, slide it into the oven. Now I don't have melted handles, and I've multi-purpose using these pans instead of having multiple different ones like a roasting pan and a frying pan. So it saves you some dishes and will save a little bit of time. Thanks.